Okay, YouTube, price them all again. Today with the 790 2024 model. This one here, my son and I just picked it up today. Actually, not today. This was Saturday. Okay, fresh from a dealership. I think it had 3 miles on it. And we're doing some stuff today to it. Put the radiator guard from Evotech and the sliders on the swing arm wheels and front forks. Okay, and we're gonna be ready to install the arrow exhaust on it. We're still gonna leave the cat on it, the resonator box. We're not gonna install the decat pipe that we have, and I actually have it from the 890 over there. I did the Black Widow exhaust just a moment ago. Another video I just got. I'll be posting most likely between today and tomorrow. But we just wanted to do a before and after. These sound pretty much similar, even though this is a 790, and they sound with this factory silencer. They sound pretty much the same. They all about do the same, but I'm just gonna get it started to get the before and after effect and get that going with this video and put the arrow exhaust that we just got for this bike, which is really a nice one. Carbon tip, the whole thing is black with the carbon tip, so it would accent this bike really nicely because it's gray with just a little bit of orange. And this bike definitely want to have. Super nice price. I just bought it. My son just bought it about the same time that I bought the 890 a couple of weeks ago. So we have it here for you guys to enjoy and hear the sound. That way we can go from there and with the videos we're gonna do later on this one also with the upgrades and accessories. Okay, but for now let me just get it started. Just cycled and let's go from there. Pretty mellow for the bike. Only has mileage wise I think we just made about 120 miles. Let's see, 129 miles on the odometer on this one. So we're gonna put quite a bit of miles on these, the 790 and the 890, but as you can see and hear, the sound is pretty much stock. It still has that factory engine oil, and even though it sounds peppy and it sounds pretty deep, but it's not loud enough. Okay, it's just not loud enough. About 2500 RPM. It's still cold, so I don't want to push down the throttle too much. But as you can see, that's just the quick before we put the arrow exhaust. I don't think it's going to change that much because of that box. It's not going to be decatted or anything. It's just for the looks for now. And then once we get to that, I'm pretty sure it's going to sound way different. Most likely, it's going to increase the decibels quite a bit. But for now, let's get this going, and I think I'll be posting this video tonight because it's a really quick one, and then we'll do the exhaust now. We probably have about 15 minutes. It's only a few bolts, this one and that one. This will come out, we'll put the other one in, and we'll take a quick video on that one too, and I'll probably post that one tonight too. Okay, so other than that, thank you guys for your support, and let's go.